ST2510 is made of stainless steel and SPCC. Door material is aluminum alloy. Applied to one 2.5-inch HDD with key lock structure for added security. In-depth SATA power line, data line, and single line. Open the door and put the HDD in. Lock the door. The installation location is floppy bay. Support SATA 3 6 Gbps transfer rate. Support hot swap.